products recommend this laser marking machine for the video purchasing of assembly lines. High productivity thanks to intelligent identification and portioning without fixing. It's suitable for all products requiring laser marking. Laser options include UV lasers, fiber lasers, carbon dioxide lasers. Here is a demonstration of the UV model, which is mainly used for plastic products. We will then introduce you to the 3 operating scenarios for virtual auto positioning. Firstly, the product can be placed at random on a conveyor belt, and the machine is automatically positioned for precise marking. Secondly, by capturing and tracking a piece of information about the product, precise positioning and marking. Thirdly, many different types of products can be placed on a line for precise marking. We mark the market products for testing. We put the market products on assembly line for repeat testing. The repeat accuracy can reach 0.05 mm. We can see that the second marking and the first marking can be completely overlapped. We also have a pattern shot specially designed for the stability of the light source and with CE certification, combined with years of experience in the development of professional laser equipment, the perfect process to show. Next, please see the inner structure of the shield. Integrated vision structure, dustbin equipment, with Z-axis vision autofocus system on request, optional manual focus adjustment. Automatic body alarm when the vision system captures abnormal products information during work. We can see that the product has been flipped over so it can be identified. The length and width of conveyor belts can be customized to suit the customer's requirements, and the working direction of conveyor belts can be adjusted. We now proceed to a demonstration of the software in action. The software is easy to learn, powerful, and equipped with a remote control system, allowing remote desktop operation for tutoring. First, the software modeling, adjusting parameters. Modeling and testing confirmed. You can see that the similarity is over 90%. The markings are very precise. Then watch a video of our client's work on site. If you want to know more about our products, please contact us on Alibaba.com.